Fellas, let's talk about something we don't talk about enough. Letting go of a relationship that's holding you back. I know it's hard. I know it's tearing a piece of yourself away, like losing something you thought you couldn't live without. But let me tell you something. You're stronger than you think. And staying in a relationship that's breaking you is not a sign of strength. It's a sign of fear. Fear of being alone. Fear of the unknown. Fear of facing yourself. But you don't have to live in fear. The truth is, you deserve more. You deserve respect, trust, and peace. You deserve to wake up in the morning without feeling like you're walking on eggshells or drowning in doubt. And deep down, you know it. If a relationship is making you question your worth, making you feel like you're not good enough, then it's not serving you. It's not love. It's a chain. And chains are meant to be broken. Letting go doesn't make you weak. It takes courage to stand up and say, I deserve better. It takes strength to walk away from something that's comfortable but toxic. You don't need to explain yourself to anyone. You don't need to argue or prove why you're making this decision. All you need to do is be honest with yourself and take that first step. Say it. This isn't healthy for me, and I need to focus on myself. That's not just a decision. It's a declaration of self-respect. Now let me be real with you. It's gonna hurt. You'll feel like you're breaking apart, like you can't breathe without her. That's normal. That's what happens when you've been tied to someone so tightly, even if it's unhealthy. But pain is temporary. It's a test. And every single time you resist the urge to chase, to call, to beg for her attention, you're proving to yourself that you're in control. Not your emotions, not her, but you. Fellas, this is your time to rebuild. Delete her number. Block her on social media. It's not about being petty, it's about protecting yourself. Create space to heal, because you can't heal in the same environment that's been hurting you. When you're tempted to go back, remember this. Every step away is a step toward freedom. And freedom is where you'll find yourself again. Focus on you. Hit the gym, pick up a hobby, build your skills and level up. When you feel the urge to reach out, channel that energy into building something real. Yourself. Set small goals each day. Get up, make your bed, go for a run, crush that work project, whatever it is. Every little victory reminds you that you're still standing, that you're still moving forward. And don't think you have to do this alone. Talk to your boys, your family, or even a support group online. Real men don't bottle up their struggles. Real men share, lean on their circle, and rise together. You're not weak for asking for help. You're wise. And you'll find that when you open up, there are more people rooting for you than you realized. Most importantly, remember why you're letting go. Think about how that relationship made you feel. Not just the good times, but the times that left you feeling drained, unappreciated, or less than the man you are. That's not what you want for your future. That's not the example you want to set for your son, your brother, or your friends. You're breaking this cycle for them too. Healing isn't easy, and it's not a straight road. You'll stumble. You'll have nights when the loneliness feels unbearable. But every time you get back up, every time you remind yourself of your worth, you're one step closer to becoming the man you were always meant to be. You've survived hard things before. You'll survive this too. So let me leave you with this. You are stronger than the pain, braver than the fear, and more valuable than you may realize right now. Walk away with your head high, knowing you're choosing yourself for the first time in a long time. You're not losing anything, you're gaining everything. You're gaining your peace, your freedom, your strength. And brother, you are worth it.